Have you ever typed what is risk management or risk management definition into Google or YouTube, trying to get a clear answer? You're not alone. Whether you're a project manager, a student, or preparing for a certification like PMP, understanding risk management is essential. In this video, I'll explain what risk management is, give you both the formal definition and the real-life meaning, clarify confusing terms like management risk versus risk management, and even show you the risks of risk management itself. Stick with me till the end. You'll walk away with clarity and examples you can use right away. So let's start with the big question. What is risk management? Risk management is the process of identifying, assessing, and controlling potential risks that could affect your project, business, or organization. In simple words, it's about being proactive instead of reactive. Instead of waiting for problems to hit your project, you try to foresee them, prepare for them, and minimize their impact. Example: imagine you're managing a construction project. A potential risk could be bad weather delaying the work. Risk management means you don't just wait for the storm. You plan alternatives, build buffer time, or have backup suppliers. That's risk management in action. Now let's look at the risk management definition. According to PMI's PMBOK guide, risk management is the systematic process of identifying, analyzing, and responding to project risk. Another definition from ISO 31000 says, risk management involves coordinated activities to direct and control an organization with regard to risk. If you're preparing for an exam, this is the defined risk management answer you'll need. So what is the meaning of risk management beyond just the definition? The definition is formal and academic, but the meaning is simple. Risk management is about protecting your goals from uncertainty. Think of it as wearing a seatbelt. The definition is a protective restraint system in cars, but the meaning is it keeps you safe if an accident happens. That's exactly how risk management works in projects. Now let's define risk and risk management. In simple terms, risk means uncertainty. It can be negative risk, like delays, cost overruns, or quality issues. But it can also be positive risk, like finishing early or adopting a new technology that saves money. Another query people search for is management risk. This is different from risk management. Risk management is the structured process we've been discussing. Management risk means risks that come from management decisions themselves. Things like poor leadership, wrong budgeting, or unclear communication. Finally, let's talk about something interesting. Risk management risk. Yes, even risk management has risks. If your process is too complex, it can slow down the project. If you spend too much time analyzing, you might delay real work. And sometimes people become overconfident because they think all risks are covered, but new risks can still appear. The lesson here: keep risk management practical, not bureaucratic. Lean, simple, and focused on what matters most. Let's quickly recap. We covered what is risk management, the risk management definition, the meaning of risk management, what risk itself means, the difference between management risk and risk management, and finally, the risks of risk management. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more project management insights, and comment below. Which part of risk management do you find most challenging? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.